Kahit bago pa lang o matagal na ang inyong negosyo, pwede niyong subukan ang mga tips na ito kung paano madadagdagan ang inyong sales gamit ang Facebook.
Here are 3 strategies that you can use to boost your sales through Facebook. One strategy you can use is running Facebook ads, okay? So when you run Facebook ads, ang important doon is yung targeting, okay? You have to reach your target market, no? Once you set up a Facebook ad campaign, hihingin sa'yo ni Facebook yung interests that you want to target. So for example, I sell clothes na activewear. So mga shorts, pang exercise, pang gym. Probably interest na ilalagay ko is gym wear, fitness, pwedeng kung pambabae pa yung women's fitness ang i-target nyo. So hindi nagme-make ng sense if ganun yung binibenta mo and then you target dog lovers or food lovers, di ba? Parang it's a waste of advertising cost. No? Nalalabas sa nila, hindi naman sila interested mag-gym, pero nilalabas mo sa news feed nila. Okay? So, that's one, no? Targeting. Important yon kasi with that, you can already boost sales kasi alam mo yung makakita ng ad mo is somehow interested dun sa binibenta mo. So, yung second thing that you can do is use the Facebook offers. Okay? So, a lot of people don't know that in their pages, meron ganong feature. Okay? So, when you look at your status update box, pag tinignan nyo yung sa taas nun, there are 3 tabs. No? Yung first is status, next is yung photo/video, if gusto mo mag-upload ng photo update, video update, and yung third, yung offer or events. Okay? Now, pag yung pinili mo yung offer, Facebook will ask you to set up an offer. So ano yung mga kailangan mong gawin? Choose a photo, choose a method kung paano i-claim yung offer nyo. Pwedeng instructions on where to go, who to call, or a website. No? Pag website, once they claim their offer, pupunta sa site mo yung user. Okay? So paano nila i-claim? So, kaya okay yung Facebook offer kasi nagkakaroon siya ng credibility kasi once they click on that offer, na get offer, they immediately receive an email from Facebook. Okay? So, sa email na makakuha sila na you claimed an offer tapos galing kay Facebook pa. So, mas may credibility. So, yung third strategy is you can run contests. Okay? So, by running contests, tumataas yung engagement ng users with your posts. Okay? So ngayon, ang allowed ni Facebook is you can run contests na ang requirement to join the contest is liking or commenting. Okay? So take note yun lang, hindi pwede yung to enter, share this post. So dati, ginagawa ng mga tao yun, pinagbawal na ni Facebook. Okay? So bakit siya important rin, no? Or why is it helpful? Para ma-boost yung sales nyo. If mas maraming like or mas maraming comment yung post nyo, tumataas ang engagement, mas na-increase ni Facebook yung exposure ng post mo sa ibang tao. So yun yung isang benefit of running contests. So those are 3 things that you can apply on your Facebook pages to boost your sales. No? Whether that's online or an offline business, you can apply those strategies right now. Okay? And for more tips on internet marketing and how to use Facebook to market your brand, your business, go to nicobolante.com or facebook.com/nicobolante.